Good afternoon, everybody. Your girl is finally getting into March's Ice Cream Beauty. And y'all, did I actually get something from Ice Cream Beauty that I actually don't like? It is my most favorite beauty subscription box that I have. Just $25 a month, 5 full-size products, and a lot of the time she'll include like 6 products from one line that is counted as one. So you definitely get your money's worth in this box. I don't think I've ever gotten anything in here I don't like until this month. Y'all know what to do. I'll see you soon. All right, good afternoon, dolls. I hope everybody is doing well. Your girl is finally getting back to a normal schedule again. Look at this gorgeous makeup look. Absolutely stunning, from contouring and highlighting and lipstick and eyeshadows and wowsy wows. I absolutely love Ice Cream Beauty. $25 a month, five full-size products. Let's just get into it. I'm going to start playing a video right over there of me using all these products. I do have my swatches here of the lipsticks, and we will talk about them here in a little bit. First thing we're going to get into, this is the Bella Pierre eyeshadow base. Now, you'll see me using it in that video. Look, it's not a liquid. It's more of a cream. And I really love this. Let's get our glasses on so we can tell you how much it is. All right, the Bella Pierre Makeup Base Eyeshadow Primer is only $19. Look how much of this you get in there. Like, wow, there's a lot in here. And I actually really did like it. I really did. Okay. Second thing we're going to get into is go right on into the Saint Angels and Sinners Cosmetics eyeshadow palette. Look at that. Gorgeous. This is the palette called Yummy. So beautiful. And look, yep, I use glue with it, and I got some of the purple in that one there. This is glitter and glitter, glitter and glitter. Mattes and shimmers. I do use it for you doing this look today. This is coming in at $48. And you guys, I really liked it. Really did. You'll see the swatches in the application over there. Here is the gorgeous eyeshadow look completed. Absolutely beautiful. $48. Saints and Sinners. Love it. Saints, Angels, Sinners Cosmetics. It's kind of got all the above up there. $48. Gorgeous shade. Absolutely gorgeous. Beautiful. Okay. Next thing we have here is the Bow Down Brow Gel by Queen Studios for $16. It does have a tiny wand. I do like those a lot better than the bigger ones. Love that a lot. Again, it's just $16. Yes, I did use it. And baby, these brows they're there. They're there. I liked it. It doesn't like make them stiff and hard. They're still soft to the touch, but these brows are being held in place. Again, $16. This is by Queen Studio Cosmetics. We got some mascara from them last month. I remember that. Okay, this here is Bella Pierre again. This is their liquid gold. And y'all, you'll see in that video that your girl used way too much. I shot out way too much on my hand, and use very little of this. This is going to come in at $25. Apparently, a lot of us have expressed that we wanted a liquid highlighter, so the beautiful owner of Ice Cream Beauty decided that she would give it to us. Now, you can message her on Instagram and ask her about things to be put in the box. She will take them into consideration, and bam, we get it. All right, loves. Kevin and Coco. There are 3 liquid matte lipsticks in here. I have full swatches on there. I do have it on my lips here. There's 6 of them. Watermelon scented. They do not budge. They will not transfer. They do not smudge. Here are all of the swatches. You'll see the full video over there. Look at that. Okay, this is coming in for all 6 of these. $28. Again, your swatches. 28 bucks. Problems. This is their matte lip gloss, they call it. So they are kind of shiny, but they all dry down to a matte. They do. Problem. Ugh, gosh, I hate to talk bad about Eyescream Beauty. I love Eyescream Beauty. Well, it's not Eyescream Beauty I'm talking about. It's Kevin and Coco. So, yes, there's artificial scents in here. That's supposed to smell like watermelon. And you do get that light scent of watermelon. You do. But, y'all, it just deepens down to like this paint thinner smell, taste. Some of them, the scent did dissipate. This one I have on, it's still trying to dissipate. I have had this makeup on, this full face now for 4 or 5 hours now. And I still smell it. And I kind of taste it on my tongue. So, Kevin and Coco Matte Lip Gloss, $28 for 6, is a no-go for me. No, 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 no. Like, when we're done with this video, I'm going to take this off my lips. No. I don't do the paint thinner taste. So, let's add this all up real quick. We got, what, 48, 58, 64, 74, 83, 93, 103, 115. Woo! Almost $140 value, you guys, for just $25. My curls are trying to frizz out on me. That's not good. So, another winning box from Eyescream Beauty, minus the matte lip gloss, the eyeshadow palette, the eyeshadow base, the brow gel, the liquid gold highlighter. Mwah! Phenomenal. And some of these, it don't taste like that paint thinner stuff, and it does dissipate away. I don't know, you guys. Maybe I'm just a little more sensitive than others are. Could be that also. But look. Yep, your girl's rubbing. Check it out. Complete matte. I did rub some of it off. Yeah. It dries down and it stays matte all day, guys. It does. And I'm taking my makeup eraser and just trying to get it off here. Rub, 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 rub. It comes off. So it's not one of those that you have to use an oil base to remove them. So, good winter, Eyescream Beauty, March Beauty Box. Cannot wait for April's box to get here. I hope everybody is doing well. I hope you guys stay tuned for the next video because check out your girl's lashes. Let's get this hair out of the way. And I'm going to show you how I got them. One step. All right, loves, I'm going to go. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you follow me on all my other platforms so you can play our amazing Sunny's Place Scavenger Bingo, which I will have a new game starting up soon. And you can find all the rules down below in the description, as well as my link to Eyescream Beauty. You can purchase additional cards for just $1 a piece through my PayPal or my Cash App, preferably. All right, loves, I'm going to go. See you guys later. Bye, guys.